Have you ever noticed that the more you learn about AFib, the more difficult some decisions become? If so, you're not alone. In fact, among my patients, I see this happen all the time. Patients spend months learning about AFib. They read articles, they watch videos, they join support groups, they talk with multiple doctors. And yet, many still don't feel confident about what they should do next. And why is that? Because information alone doesn't create clarity. That's where many patients get stuck. They actually have information, but they don't have a clear way to organize that information. So different opinions feel conflicting. Treatment decisions feel uncertain. And every new piece of information just seems to create more and more questions. Because the issue isn't simply what to do. It's how to think about the problem in the first place. Because AFib isn't just one issue. There's actually multiple pieces that need to be understood separately. For example, you need to understand your symptoms, then separately your stroke risk, and then finally, how your AFib actually progresses over time. And those pieces interact with what stage of progression of your AFib, your overall health, your age, your goals, and your risk tolerance. Each of these factors represent a different part of the problem, and each may point towards a different treatment strategy. That's why even good information can feel difficult to use. It's not because the information is wrong, but because it hasn't been organized into a framework that makes sense for that individual. And once that framework becomes clear, something important happens. You'll find that the confusion starts to fade. Your conversations with doctors makes more sense, and treatment decisions often become much easier. It's not because your AFib suddenly becomes simple. It's because it finally becomes understandable. If you feel like you've learned a lot about your AFib, but you're still not completely sure how it applies to your specific situation, I've put together a structured program. It's called the AFib Clarity Program. This walks you through this process step by step. This program helps patients organize their symptoms, look at their stroke risk and treat it properly, understand their AFib progression, and then make treatment decisions into a framework that actually makes sense. You'll find the link below. If you want a structured way to think through this more clearly, I've put something together. I'll link it below.